Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to deploy the Claude add-in for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So let's jump in. First, you're going to want to log into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center at admin.microsoft.com. Once you're logged in, go ahead and scroll down to the left-hand side until you find Settings and then Integrated Apps, and then go ahead and select Get Apps, and you'll search for Claude, or at the time of this recording, Claude for Microsoft 365 ranks as one of the top apps when you open this Browse Apps window. The other option is the ability to deploy Claude just for Excel, Word, or PowerPoint, and not the entire suite if you wish. But I'm showing in this tutorial how to deploy it to all three. Click the Get It Now button, click Get It Now again, and then select the users or subset of users that you want to deploy this app to. And here you can see it's deploying to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and then just click Finish Deployment. Now, one thing to keep in mind is it may take up to 72 hours for the add-in to be deployed and show in the application. So don't be worried if it doesn't show up immediately. So this is on the target end user device. If we open up Word, you can see the Claude add-in is now available. And I'll also open up PowerPoint and you'll see as well that Claude is there. You can also see Claude is available in Excel. And the last step would be to authenticate Claude within the applications. So you just simply click Login, copy the code that is presented, go back to your browser, and just verify that it matches and hit Authorize. And Claude is now enabled inside your Microsoft apps. If you have any questions, feel free to post those in the comment section below. I always keep an eye on that. And if this video helped out, please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It really does help. And as always, thanks for watching.